Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss your NCERT problem number 14. This problem is related to playing cards. This playing cards. Yes, beta, please read the problem. This playing cards. Total number of cards is 52. Remember this thing. Total number of cards 52. Yes.
One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck.
This is called well shuffled decking of the cards. So well shuffled deck. So we pick up a one card. Then we need to calculate some probability of this. Some cases is given. It may be red, it may be black, it may be spade, it may be diamond, it may be a face card. So what is the probability? So this kind of problem I am going to discuss. Okay.
Find the probability of getting a king of red color.
King of red color. Our aim is to, when I pick a one card from this deck of the card, so what is the probability if that card be king of red color? Total 4 types of suits: heart, diamond, spade and clubs. Each has 13 cards. Heart 13, diamond 13, spade 13, clubs also 13. Total of number of cards is 52. So in this case, number of all possible outcomes is 52. Now our aim is to calculate the probability of a king of red color. How many kings in a card? Total number of king is 4. Out of which 1 of heart, 1 of diamond, 1 of spade, 1 of clubs. And heart and diamond are red color. So number of favorable outcome in this problem is 2. So then your first part of your problem number 14 is to calculate the probability of a king of red color. So probability of a king of red color, you can say event or you can mark, you can write a king of red color is equal to number of favorable outcomes. What is number of favorable outcome? 2. So it is 2 divided by total number of all possible outcomes. It is 52. Calculate it one by one. It comes out 26. So your probability of a king of red color comes out 1 by 26. So this is your first part is over. You can see, you can note down it. Number of favorable outcome is 2. Number of all possible outcome 52. 2 by 52. 1 by 26. Now second part. Beta, please read the second part.
A face card.
A face card. A face card. Face card means king. Face card, queen, jack. These are called face card. So total number of face card 4 king, 4 queen, 4 jack. This comes out 12. So your number of all possible outcomes in this case again
52.
52. And number of all possible outcomes is remain 52 because this deck of cards contains total number of cards is 52. In next class we will discuss if suppose face card we remove it, then number of cards possible outcomes also change. The here again number of all possible outcomes is 52 and number of face cards is 12. So number of favorable outcomes comes out 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. So probability of a face card is equal to 12 upon 52. Solve it. Calculate it. 12 upon 52. बताओ कितना आएगा? 3 upon 13. 3 upon 13. 4 3 जा 12 and ये कैंसिल करिए 4 3 जा 12 and 4 13 जा 52. So 3 by 13 is your probability. What is your third part? Third part is a
Red face card.
red face card. Now the probability of a red face card. Probability of red face card. Probability of red face card तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ फेस कार्ड्स आर 12, किंग 4, क्वीन 4, जैक 4। तो रेड फेस कार्ड चाहिए। हाउ मेनी रेड फेस कार्ड बताइए?
6.
6। कैसे?
2
Two.
of each.
2 king, 2 क्वीन, 2 जैक।
Jack.
2 हार्ट के, इधर से किंग भी होगा हार्ट में और क्वीन भी होगा और जैक भी होगा। ऐसे डायमंड में भी किंग भी होगा, क्वीन भी होगा, जैक भी होगा। यहाँ से चले तो 3 3 6 और यहाँ से चलते हो तो 2 2 2 6। तो आपके पास हो गए 2 + 2 + 2 = 6। तो 6 योर नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम and number of all possible outcome again 52. So your probability is comes out 6/52. 6/52 ये आपका क्या हो गया? Probability of a red face card. Pause कर दिया। 12. This comes out 3/26 your probability. 26